Gradebook assignments not only record the student's assignment history, but also serve as a notice for upcoming assignments to the parents and students. Adding an assignment to a gradebook can be done a few ways. From the dashboard, within Manage Gradebook, under the Assignments tab, or in any screen within the gradebook on the top navigation bar under Assignments. To create a new assignment, click on Add Assignment. Give the assignment a name. This name will appear everywhere the assignment is visible, but you may want to keep it short so it is easy to tell similar assignments apart on Gradebook scores by class. Use the description box to explain the details and expectations of the assignment. This will appear to parents and students below the assignment name and should be a detailed description of the assignment and what is required to receive a maximum score. In the Type field, select whether this assignment is formative, part of the instructional process, or summative, gauging the student's knowledge retention of the subject. In the Category field, select what type of assignment this is. This menu is populated by the categories created when setting up your gradebook. You must select a category to save the assignment. Check the Extra Credit box option if this assignment is only for extra credit. The Extra Credit option will hide the number correct possible and the points possible fields. If you are using the rubric scoring option for this gradebook, then the Extra Credit option will not appear. The Rubric Assignment Selection option only displays here if the gradebook option to use rubric scoring was selected and defaults to On or checked when adding new assignments. Assignments can be added to a rubric gradebook that are not tagged as rubric. Deselecting the rubric assignment box will allow scores to be recorded to the non-rubric assignment, but they will not be calculated into the student's overall average. The narrative grading option only appears if the gradebook has set up a narrative grading scale. To use a custom grading scale, select the alternative scale here. The assigned on date will default to today. Change the date if that's not accurate. The calendar icon can be used to change the date. Select the date you are assigning the homework assignment, so it will appear as an upcoming assignment on the appropriate day. The due date will default to the next school day. Change the due date if applicable. The calendar icon can be used to change the date, or you can type directly in the box. For a traditional or non-extra credit assignment, the number correct possible is the maximum number of points possible for this assignment. Think of the number correct possible as the number of questions on an assignment, like a quiz. The next field, points possible, is the maximum possible value of the assignment and will default to the same value. This value will be used to calculate the student's assignment percentage. For example, an assignment consists of a worksheet with 20 questions, but the assignment is worth 10 points. Enter the number correct as 20, and the points possible is 10. When entering scores, the percentage in points earned will be calculated automatically. If the student's number correct or score is 18, the percentage will appear as 90%, and a points earned of 9 will display on the Scores by Assignment page. A little further down you will see Grading Completed. Select to have the student's assignment scores be factored into the student's overall grade. If the Grading Completed option is selected here and no score is entered, the assignment will be considered a missing assignment. Leave the Grading Completed checkbox empty until you have completed entering all the scores for the assignment. Visible to Portal. The Visible to Portal option will allow or deny the assignment to be visible to students and parents through the Parent Portal. Checking the Visible to Portal option allows parents and students to see the assignment. The Score Visible to Portal option can be used to allow or deny the assignment score to be visible to students and parents. The Score Visible to Portal allows parents and students to see the assignment score when it is entered. For certain assignments, you may decide to hide the score, but show the assignment until grading is completed. Dropbox. The Dropbox in due time tie in with the student's Dropboxes and require that the student turn in the assignment online before the due date and time. This option will only display if the system administrator has turned on the Enable Backpack Portal option. More detailed information about the Dropbox, Student Backpack, and Teacher Briefcase can be found in the documentation on our website. The Add Standard button will only display if the system administrator has enabled the standards-based grade reporting for the school. To link a standard to the assignment, click on Add Standard. Use the search box and filters available to locate the standards to link to the assignment. The Standard Selector page has drill downs available to locate standards. Click on the arrow to display substandards. Click Add to select the standard. Click the Remove button adjacent to the standard to remove an unwanted standard. When you have finished, click OK. A new option to input by standard appears. This option will allow scores to be entered for each standard that is connected to the assignment. The Scores by Class, Scores by a Student, and Scores by Assignment pages will allow data entry of scores by standard if Input by Standard option is selected. Adjust the maximum number of points each standard is worth. Click on Add Exam if the assignment is recording scores from an ARIES Analytics exam, then link the specific exam to the assignment here. Click on Add Exam. Search for the exam to associate it with the assignment. Select the appropriate exam. Now that you have selected an exam to associate with this assignment, select the testing administration of the exam, since tests can be offered multiple times over a duration of years. As you can see, we have a couple of options to choose from. The traditional Save button will save the information entered but stay open to continue completing this page. If you wish to upload a document, click the Save button so we can stay on this page. The Save and Add New button will save the assignment and will display a blank Add Assignment page to enter another assignment. Save and Close will save the information added and will return you to the previous screen. The Cancel button will close this page altogether and not save any information you have entered. At this point, I want to click Save. If I scroll to the very bottom of the assignment page, I now have the option of uploading an assignment document. Before uploading a new document, be sure the document has been saved with clear description and is no longer open or in use. Click the Upload Assignment Document button and a pop-up window will appear. Click on Select Files. When you have finished adding all the documents to this assignment, click Upload Files. When the documents have uploaded, you will now see the documents listed at the bottom of the assignment. You can now either view the document or delete the document. Save and Close will take me back to my gradebook. Now when I view my scores by class, I can see the assignment I just added and the standard that it applies to. From a parent and student perspective of my gradebook and the new assignment, when I look at my gradebook, I see all of my previous assignments and the new assignment my teacher just added, Chapter 12 notes, the description of the assignment, the date it was assigned, how many points it's worth, the date it's due, that it has not yet been graded, and any attachments or summary documents I may need to view related to this assignment.